We just left Bari. Since our flight is still at 7 p.m., it's only noontime. We decided to visit Giovinazzo.
You need some extra vitamin D.
Yeah. Today, we don't see a lot of people walking around. So it could be that the Easter Monday was the reason why there were a lot of people in Mare, Monopoli, and Polignano, Mare. We'll explore the town, so stay with us. That church that you see behind us is the cathedral of Saint Mary of the Assumption. Cala Porto is Giovinazzo's historic harbor, right beside the old town and cathedral, a sheltered inlet in the Adriatic. It's still used by local fishermen today. The Piazza Vittorio Emanuele II is the main square of Giovinazzo, linking the old town to the newer areas. At its center stands the Fontana dei Tritoni, a 20th century fountain inspired by sea mythology, reflecting the town's connection to the Adriatic. Right beside it is the Parrocchia di San Domenico, whose Baroque facade adds character to the square and reflects the town's long-standing religious life. San Felice, ex chiesa. San Felice. And this is the Arco Traiano over there. Arco Traiano is one of Giovinazzo's historic gateways, linking the old town to the sea. Named after Emperor Trajan, it reflects the town's Roman roots and coastal past. So calm in here after Easter Monday. See guys, no one is here. We're here in Via Lecce. With all those interesting details, you guys. Oh, I haven't seen that church. That's the other side. That is the cathedral. Oopsie. The Cathedrale di Santa Maria Assunta, built in the 12th century in Romanesque style, is one of Giovinazzo's most important landmarks. Located right by the sea, it once served as a reference point for sailors approaching the town, reflecting Giovinazzo's strong connection to the Adriatic and its maritime history.
This is the side facing the port area. We are really lucky today because it's almost empty and there's so many beautiful streets. This is another square beside the cathedral. Palazzo. So beautiful. Kuya is taking care of his plants on the balcony. Wow, I like Giovinazzo, guys. Palazzo Ducale, Siecle, 17th century. It's private property. Giro Bistro, and it looks nice inside. Oh, you guys, I tell you, there's so many passages which are beautiful here. We're alone. By the way, guys, there's a lot of palazzo in here. We haven't done any research, so we will check after when we arrive in Brussels. Why there are so many palazzo in this place? I don't know if you see, guys, on top of that bell tower, there's moon. Maybe it was a mosque before.
I found out that the crescent moon on the bell tower isn't Islamic. It's a Christian symbol linked to the Virgin Mary, representing purity and light, and often used as decoration in southern Italy. The many palazzos in Giovinazzo reflect its past as a wealthy trading town. Noble families built these residences close to the port, showing their status and connection to commerce along the Adriatic. Visiting Giovinazzo after the Easter Monday, we really enjoyed its calm and authentic feel. Compared to places like Monopoli or Polignano a Mare, it's far less crowded, so you can explore freely. No stress, no squeezing through people, just a relaxed walk through its streets and along the sea. The many arches and gates in Giovinazzo come from its past as a fortified town, making entrances to the old city. They also support building across narrow streets and create shaded pathways, making the town both defensive and practical.
We've done all the streets that we've marked on Google Maps, and it took us only around an hour and a half to visit the whole place, and it's almost empty, which is amazing. Initially, when we planned to come to Puglia, this was not part of the recommended places to visit, but if you have time, come and see Giovinazzo. And you will see along the way the markers and also the information about the place, like about the palazzo, about the church. Yes, when you are in Puglia, you should drive there, Porto, by the sea.
And we got artist shop. And we got artist shop as well.
Ah, yes. There's artist shop. Now it's time to return our orange car. We got our car from Italy Car Rent, by the way. Nice car.